Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here making some Jamaican steamed cabbage, Jamaican recipe and Jamaican style. This is about half pound of cabbage, and I have some thyme, onion, yellow sweet pepper, green sweet pepper, and I have some red sweet pepper and some plummy tomato and some chopped carrot. And this is the spice I'm going to use. This one right here. Some basil. Some pepper. And guys, if you have anybody sick and you want to prepare a healthy vegetable, you can definitely prepare this vegetable. I have on my pot on the stove now, so I'm going to pour my oil, which is my olive oil, in my pot. Okay, so here's my Dutch pot. The pot is already hot, so I'm just going to pour a little bit of olive oil in there. You can use any olive oil you prefer, but you know, this is a healthy Jamaican steamed cabbage. That's why I'm using the olive oil. And that's why I said if you have anybody sick, you can definitely look about this vegetable for them. It's very healthy. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my thyme. I know thyme is all about flavor. Yeah, I'm gonna add my thyme first. I'm gonna add the carrot, because you know the carrot take a little, you don't want the carrot too tough and you don't want it too soft. Okay, so I'm gonna add in the carrot next. I have my onion, tomato, and my peppers. I'm going to cover this for 2 minutes. Just to make the carrot cook out a little, okay? Yes guys, it's about 2 minutes now. So this is how it looks after 2 minutes. I'm going to pour in my cabbage. Guys, I'm just going to add my basil, and I add my cayenne pepper, just add a little bit, because you know, say you can use a Scotch bonnet pepper, but I don't have any, so I just use what I have. Okay, I'm gonna add my vegetable seasoning. I'm gonna try if you not add no salt in the pot, because you know the seasoning we I use have a lot of salt. You understand? Yeah. But if I taste it and it's still, you know, it need a little taste, I'm gonna put little salt in there. Okay? Yeah. I'm gonna put some of this in there. To that, I'm gonna put some of this in there, okay? I'm just gonna cover this now. And remember, don't put no water in there and no butter. It's just the olive oil, okay? Because the cabbage actually spring a little water. Because the little water they leave on it, and when you wash it, yeah. Just gonna leave this to just steam for 4 to 5 minutes, okay? So I will show you the after look. Guys, I just taste it and it tastes like it needs some more salt. I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt to the steamed cabbage, and I just add in some cucumber, but the phone was giving trouble, so the cucumber, you didn't see when I was putting in the cucumber. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. Yeah. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican steamed cabbage. You know, you can prepare this steamed cabbage if you have anybody sick and you want to prepare, you know, a healthy vegetable for them. You can definitely prepare this Jamaican steamed vegetable. Guys, please subscribe, share and comment and tell me all about this video. I will definitely put all the ingredients in the description box. So big up on yourself, and thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back, and thanks, you know, big up on yourself, all my old subscriber and all my new subscriber. Welcome to my channel, Criefarmywife TV. Big up on yourself. Bless you all. Bye.